Hello everybody and welcome again. In this exercise, we are going to sketch this drawing. We will start here. So I'll draw a circle of 80 units diameter. So pick a circle and place the diameter to 80. Now I have this slot. I will take a midpoint line, make it horizontal, then give this dimension 17.5 and turn it into a construction geometry. Now pick a center point arc slot and start from the origin up to here, then create the slot. Now the radius is 7.5, so set this radius to 7.5. So my sketch is fully defined now. So now I will create this part of the drawing. So I have an arc here with a radius of 12, then a straight line, then a tangent arc, then a straight line again, then a tangent arc again. I'll start with center point arc, give it a dimension, the radius is 12, and make these points horizontal. Now pick a line, go up a little bit back, then up again to create this arc, then go up again, then a little bit back, then make the other arc. Now let's set some relations. First of all, these 3 points should be horizontal, and this point with this point should be vertical. Now this radius is 9.5, so let's set it to 9.5, and this radius is a 3, so let's set this to 3. We have this distance of 28. And finally we have this distance of 14. So between this point and this point, 14. Now draw a center line here and select mirror entities, select this line, this arc, and this line, then mirror them about this line. Now try to drag. Now we need to set some relations, so select this point with this point, then make vertical, and the distance between them is 82. So between this point and this point, this should be 82. Now we need to place a slot here from this point and from this point. So select straight slot, snap to this point, move the mouse, snap to the other one, then create the slot. As you can tell here, the radius is 22, so set this radius to 22. As you can see, everything is fully defined now, so we can proceed. Now we have this part of an arc, then this line is tangent to this part and to it. So since the center of this arc is here and the radius is 32, let's draw a circle here, and let's set the the diameter to 32 multiplied by 2. Now let the line snap with this and let it snap with this. Then exit the command. As you can see, this line is tangent here and it's a tangent here. Now we have another curve here. Since we have this circle and this circle here, and we need two tangents now, I recommend using perimeter circle. Select it from the ribbon and select this circle and select this one, and then move the mouse until you get it to the right position, like this. Now you can trim it, then set this radius to 30. Draw a center line and mirror this line and this arc about this center line. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of constraints and we have a lot of dimensions, and it's not clear for us to work. So from here, pick these. Okay. Now let's do some trims. First of all, this area is clear and this area is clear. So trim entities, we don't want these. Then we don't want this segment, not this one, not this one, and this one. I think everything is correct now. Let's double check it. Yeah, now you can show the dimensions and you can show the constraints. Thanks for watching. See you on the next exercise.